Everyone's making money online, right? New AI tool, one simple trick, print cash like an ATM, except it's BS and you know it. Here's what nobody's showing you, the actual first step to getting paid. So I'm not going to promise you $10,000 a month because there's no point in worrying about that until you make your first dollar. I'm going to show you how to get your first $1,497 per month, and I'm going to reveal the three-step process to get you there. You'll do that by running a marketing agency. If you already have some marketing skills, then you can sell those. If not, I'm going to show you what service to sell. And I'm going to be upfront. You have to work a little bit. It'll be uncomfortable at first. It won't happen overnight, but I'm giving you the actual roadmap, not fake guru stuff. And specifically, I'm solving the hardest part, getting prospects to actually respond to you and become clients. So let's begin. Look, starting an agency isn't hard anymore. GoHighLevel, AI tools, they're all accessible. The problem, everyone else has access to. So the hard part isn't doing the agency work, it's getting agency clients. Check this out. Average cold email gets 1 to 5 response rates, and that's declining year over year. Cold email rock stars do much better, of course. But like LinkedIn messaging and InMail gets 18 to 25%, but you're competing there too. And ultimately, 99% of decision makers ignore these emails because they don't address their needs. Bottom line, business owners get dozens to hundreds of cold emails per day, and if you're already running an agency, then you know what I'm talking about. So their guardrails are already up because everyone's asking for money. When you lead with, I can help you, you've already lost them. They just hear, give me money. Trust is a modern currency, and you have none of that when you just cold email. Okay, you say, but I already knew all of that. So how do I actually get to that $1,497 that you promised me? Simple. Stop asking them, how can I help you, and start actually helping them. This is kind of a Trojan horse method of outreach, except you really are giving them something valuable, and you're not sacking their city. That valuable thing is a free listing on a directory website, specifically on your directory website. And by the way, you may want to take notes because I'm going to walk through all of this now. Because step 1 is creating an online directory. I know that sounds fancy, but a directory is just a list of businesses in either a certain location, like Richmond, Virginia, or a certain industry, like home services. And we have a really easy way for you to do that, so don't worry. Now, we're partial to creating local directories because they allow you to reach out to a variety of businesses and address a lot of different marketing needs. You can absolutely create a directory that's just industry focused instead. In fact, I have another video on this channel walking through the top 5 directory niches that you can check out after this one if you're curious. So what benefits do businesses get from your directory, local or otherwise? Especially when you don't have thousands or even hundreds of visitors to your site per month. They actually get a lot. With Google and AI search, one of the key factors in whether or not something ranks well or gets shown when someone is checking Google or ChatGPT is its digital footprint. Now, there are a lot of things that make that up, and I'm not going to get into all the ins and outs of local SEO and AI SEO, but a huge part of that is having signals of trust spread throughout the internet. You can do this in a bunch of different ways, such as having a strong presence across social media and mentions on different websites, or having tons of good and consistent reviews. Another popular way is having a lot of something called backlinks. Those are links from someone else's site, ideally relevant to what you do or where you are, to your site. Those can be hard to attain. And that's one of the big benefits businesses get with your directory. You're giving them a free backlink. See, by providing a link to their website from your website, you're helping increase the level of authority and trust that search engines and AI perceive about that business. If it's a local business, say something like Jeff's Auto Shop in Richmond, Virginia, and your directory is richmondbiz.com, then you having information on your site confirming that Jeff's Auto Shop in Richmond is indeed in Richmond, Virginia, and has a description of their services, that all just helps Google and AIs know that Jeff's Auto Shop is a real business that it can send traffic to confidently. Not only does the business get that benefit, you're allowing the business owner themselves to also take control of that listing and edit the description, add photos, or make other modifications that they might want. Now at this point you might wonder, how does this help me? I don't actually have a directory website. Right. Like I said, we have something that can help you build your directory site in less than 17 minutes. It's called Smart Directory AI, and I'll link to it in the description below. And we have a whole AI Smart Launch Lab to show you exactly what to do and how to do it. So consider that box checked. I'll link to the full video showing us launching a directory in less than 17 minutes in the description. But for now, let's just focus on the strategy itself to get you your $1,497 per month. So I'll assume you have your directory set up and that you can give someone a free listing. So even if your directory site isn't getting any traffic yet, you'll help bump that business's own SEO authority. And as your traffic grows, and as your own site's domain authority grows by having more content related to the city or industry your directory covers, this will increase too. It's kind of a cycle that feeds on itself like a flywheel. Of course, if the business owner doesn't know they have a listing and doesn't do them any good, and you still won't get them as a client. And that's where step 2 comes in, prospecting. So in your first email to this business owner, all you're really saying is that they now have this free thing that enhances their visibility and that they can take ownership of it. That's just one step in your prospecting. Because a few days later, they'll get another email if they haven't responded or claimed their business yet. And then a second and third follow-up. If they don't respond at that point, you can just let them be for now. Remember, you can always circle back in 90 days and just focus on the businesses that did respond in the meantime. For the ones that responded, you've now opened that door to communication and you've built trust by giving first. To start prospecting like this, it's worth checking out that Smart AI Launch Lab I mentioned because it has all of your email sequences set up for you with all the training and tools for actually dropping those businesses into these email sequences that work. All you need to do is add the businesses to your directory, and then with a few clicks to apply the right tags, it'll start prospecting for you automatically. That's exactly what Smart Directory AI does. It's built on GoHighLevel and creates local or industry-focused business directories that you can use as your foot in the door for clients. And remember, here's the brilliant part. You have businesses to your directory without asking permission. Their info is already public, Google, Yelp, etc. Then you reach out and say, hey, I added your business to richmondbiz.com. You have a free listing, that all of your contact info and your website. Again, you're not asking for money. You're giving them something. That's why we call this the directory edge. You're standing out from everyone else asking to provide services by actually providing a valuable offering in itself with the free listing. The results, 4 to 8% response rates with up to 80+% open rates. Why? Because when they click, they see their business actually listed, not just a pitch. Trust builds instantly, no strings attached, guardrails come down, you've demonstrated confidence before ever asking for a meeting or a phone call. Okay, before we get to step 3, let me recap and break down exactly how this works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, build your directory. Choose your niche or your location. Maybe you want to target all restaurants in Dallas. Maybe you want a national directory for real estate agents. Maybe it's home services in your local area or contractors across the state. You'll also need to grab a domain name that matches, something like dallasrestaurants.com or nationalrealestateDirectory.com. Keep it simple and relevant. Smart Directory AI builds your site in minutes. We actually timed it at under 17 minutes from start to finish, and it's gotten even faster with updates since then. Then, you just add 20 to 50 businesses to start. You're just pulling information, business name, address, phone number, website, hours, from Google, Yelp, or their own website. The beauty here is that Smart Directory AI gives you everything pre-built. The site structure, the listing pages, the claim your business functionality, most importantly, the prospecting workflows I just talked about. And that's where step 2 comes in, the outreach. Now here's where it gets good. Once you've uploaded your businesses with just a few clicks, you apply the right tags, the email's automatic. No complicated setup, but now here's the key. That first email is not a sales pitch. It's not even close. It's simply asking them to confirm a few things about their business, hours, website, address, and it lets them know that it's because you've added them to your directory. That's it. Harmless, helpful, no pressure. But here's the thing, it doesn't take thousands upon thousands of emails to land a client this way. Again, because your response rates are 4 to 8% instead of 1 to 5%, you need far fewer touches. Responses may come in as little as a day or 2, and sometimes even sooner. And they're not hostile. They're curious, they're grateful, they're asking questions. Why? Because you gave first. Now step 3, the conversion. Okay, so they respond. Maybe they confirm their business details, maybe they claim their listing. Either way, you're now in conversation. And you've already proven you can deliver value. They literally saw it with their own eyes when they viewed the list. Now here's where you transition, and we actually have templates for this in Smart Directory AI. In essence, you're saying, I'm building this as a resource for city or industry, Richmond, Virginia, Dallas restaurants. By the way, I noticed that you're not posting much on social media. I see you were posting regularly back in June, but it's been sporadic since then. Are you handling that in-house and just haven't gotten around to it? See what we did there? If they used to post regularly but stopped, you know they know the value of posting. They just can't commit to it. Maybe they're too busy. Maybe they hate doing it. Maybe they ran out of ideas. That's your opening. This is where you offer social media management. And here's why this is the perfect service to start with. First, it's relatively easy to learn if you're new to marketing. You're not promising leads or sales. You're not guaranteeing outcomes. You're delivering a service, consistent posting. Second, you can use AI tools and GoHighLevel to make this incredibly efficient. Inside GoHighLevel, you can schedule posts across multiple platforms. You can even use GoHighLevel's own built-in AI to help you write posts and captions. You can use tools like Midjourney or similar to create original images. The deliverables that you're going to offer, and the deliverable is simple, 3 to 5 posts per week on their chosen platforms, usually Facebook and Instagram for local businesses. And you charge $4.99 per month per client. You can also charge a setup fee of $500 to $1,000, which we're not even including in our $1,497 calculation. That's just pure profit upfront to get you started. Now, I know some of you are thinking $4.99 seems pretty high for social media posting. It's not. Market rates for social media management for small businesses range from $300 to $500 per month on the low end. You're providing consistent, original content that helps build their digital footprint, which ties right back to the value you already gave them with the directory listing. You're not just posting pretty pictures. You're helping them stay top of mind with their customers. You're building trust and authority in their market. That's worth $4.99 per month. Okay, so let me show you exactly how this gets you to the $14.97 per month. Start with one service, social media management at $4.99 per month. Here's the timeline, and I'm going to be realistic about this. Week 1, you're going to do a few things. You build your directory, you get your domain, you add 30 to 50 businesses, you warm up your email and start prospecting. All the tools are there for this. Week 2, you continue prospecting with maybe 50 emails per day maximum while your email is still warming up, and at a 4 to 8% response rate for your entire sequence. At this point, you're getting responses and you're starting to have those conversations. Week 3, you sent emails to maybe 500 businesses and you land client number 1. Client number 1, let's say they're a local restaurant and they're paying you $4.99 per month for social media management. Week 4, you're still prospecting. You're refining your pitch. You've sent emails to around 700 businesses now, and you land client number 2. Let's say they're a real estate agent for, again, $4.99 per month of social media management. Now we're just about ending month 1 and heading into month 2. Here, let's say you land client number 3, home services contractor for, again, $4.99 per month for social media management. Your total monthly recurring revenue, that $1,497 per month that we've talked about. Now here's why 3 clients is kind of a magic number. Landing your first client feels like a huge hurdle, and it is. You're nervous, you're not sure of yourself, but you do it. With your second client, you're starting to get the hang of it. You're more confident, your pitch is smoother. By your third client, you feel confident both in your pitching and in your delivery. You know you can do this. You're not faking it anymore, you're actually running an agency. And here's the beautiful thing. This is just the foundation. And we have dozens, if not hundreds of community members who started their own agencies just like this. Once you're at 3 clients and you've mastered the process, you can expand your service offerings. Website builds for $1,500 to $3,000 for a one-time fee, plus $100 to $200 a month for hosting and maintenance. Local SEO services for $500 to $1,000 per month. AI Chatbot Setup, $500 to $800 one time, plus $100 to $200 per month management fee. Paid ads management, $500 to $1,000 per month or more, plus a percentage of the ad spend. You can sell these services to your existing clients or use your directory to prospect for new clients who need these specific services. I actually have another video where I break down the exact path to $10,000 per month if you do want to see how this math works. I'll put that link in the description. But here's my advice. Start with one service and master it. Get to $1,497, then scale. Don't try to be everything to everyone on day 1. That's how you get overwhelmed and quit. Social media management is perfect because it's easy to learn, it's easy to sell, every business knows they should be posting, and it's delivered through GoHighLevel, which you already have, or you can get a free trial for 30 days. Plus, it's recurring revenue, which is the holy grail. And most importantly, you can use GoHighLevel's own AI to help you create content, so you're not starting from scratch staring at a blank screen every time. All right, now let me be completely clear about something. This is not get rich quick. Remember at the beginning when I said you'd have to work a little and it would be uncomfortable at first. Let's talk about that a little more. So you still need to do the work. Social media content doesn't create itself even with AI tools. You're building a real service business and you have to deliver. Smart Directory AI is a prospecting tool, not a money printer. It solves the hardest problem, getting clients to actually respond to you. But you still have to build the directory, only 17 minutes, but still needs to be done. Add the businesses, 1 to 2 hours of data entry per week, handle the responses and have the conversations, and you have to deliver the service that you promised. And yes, at first, some of this will be uncomfortable. If you've never run an agency, there's a learning curve. If you've never used GoHighLevel, you'll need to learn it. But you'll learn it along the way as you use it, and it comes pretty naturally. Plus, we've got tutorials and trainings that you can fall back on. And if you've never prospected for clients, the first few conversations will be nerve-wracking. If you've never posted for a business on social media, you'll be second-guessing yourself. That's all normal. That's part of starting any business. And we have a whole community with training, support, and tools to help you. But here's why this is perfect if you're trying to start an agency. You already have the skills, or you can learn them quickly. Hundreds, if not thousands, of our members have done that. Content templates, AI tools, scheduling software, it's all accessible. The hard part has always been getting clients. While everyone else is sending spam that gets 1 to 5% response rates, you're opening doors by giving value first. That's the differentiator. That's how you compete in a saturated market. The businesses you add benefit from the listing. You benefit from a warm introduction instead of cold rejection. Everybody wins. And here's something important. Smart Directory AI doesn't just give you the directory and wish you luck. It comes with built-in prospecting workflows, the emails that send automatically with just a few clicks, templates for transition conversations, scripts for sales conversations if you need them, training on how to use GoHighLevel effectively, guides on running an agency and delivering services, support for when you get stuck. So yes, there's work involved. Yes, there's a learning curve, but you're not figuring this out alone. But here's where most people stop. They see the opportunity, they get excited about that $1,500 per month, they understand the strategy, but then they think, I don't know how to build a directory. I'm not technical enough. I don't have the time to figure it all out. And that's exactly why Smart Directory AI exists, and why we created the Smart AI Launch Lab. Smart Directory AI is built on GoHighLevel. It's not a separate tool you have to learn. It creates professional directories in minutes. Seriously, under 17 minutes before it got fast, from zero to a live directory. Pre-built prospecting workflows. With just a few clicks to apply tags and campaigns, the emails send automatically. Automated follow-up sequences. You don't have to remember to follow up. The system does it. Templates for every conversation, from the first outreach to the sales transition. And comprehensive training through Smart AI Launch Lab. The Smart AI Launch Lab is where you'll see this whole process broken down step by step. Comprehensive training on Smart Directory AI, how to use it with GoHighLevel, how to prospect effectively, keys to delivering the services. And here's the best part. There's a free trial of Smart Directory AI with all features included. Nothing hidden just because it's a free trial. You get the full experience. And if you don't already have GoHighLevel, you can get a free 30-day trial of that too. So you can literally start this with zero upfront cost and prove to yourself that it works. There's a link in the description below to join Smart AI Launch Lab and get started. This isn't about gaming the system or tricking people, it's about standing out by providing real value first. The directory listing helps their business. The social media service helps their business. You're not taking advantage of anyone, you're genuinely helping local businesses improve their digital footprint and stay visible to their customers. And in return, you build a real sustainable agency with recurring revenue. I promise you $14.97 per month, not $10,000. I told you up front there'd be work involved. I didn't promise overnight success, but this is real. This is a proven strategy that actual people are using to land actual clients and build actual agencies. 3 clients at $4.99 each, that's $14.97 per month. And once you have that foundation, you can scale to $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month by adding more clients and more services. Again, I have another video breaking down that path to 10K within 6 months. The link's in the description. But it starts with solving the prospecting problem, and that's what Smart Directory AI does. Drop a comment if you have questions about this approach. I actually respond to those. Seriously, ask me anything about Smart Directory AI, the prospecting process, social media services, whatever. And if you're ready to stop getting ignored and start getting responses, check out the Smart AI Launch Lab. The Smart AI Launch Lab, link in the description. Free trial, all features, no risk. Now go build your directory. I'll see you in the next one.